Human beings are the most intelligent species on Earth. We built cities. We split the atom. We connected continents with invisible signals. But intelligence without restraint becomes destruction. The Earth is not collapsing in one dramatic explosion. It is eroding slowly, silently, systematically. And the most dangerous threats to nature are not natural disasters. They are human inventions. Today, we explore the top 5 human habits that are quietly destroying our planet. Not emotionally, not politically, but scientifically. On the 5th number we have fossil fuel dependency. Coal, oil, natural gas. These fuels powered the Industrial Revolution. They built modern civilization. But they also built atmospheric imbalance. Since the 19th century, the burning of fossil fuels has released billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. CO2 traps heat. Heat destabilizes climate systems. The result? Rising global temperatures, melting polar ice, stronger hurricanes, extreme droughts. The irony is profound. The same resource that accelerated human progress is accelerating ecological instability. The issue is not energy. The issue is dependency. Civilization runs on fossil fuels. And the planet is paying the cost. On the 4th number we have plastic production. Plastic was once considered a miracle material. Cheap, durable, flexible. But durability is a curse when something doesn't decompose. Every year, millions of tons of plastic enter oceans. Microplastics are now found in fish, in drinking water, in human bloodstreams. The planet cannot metabolize plastic. Nature has cycles. Plastic breaks the cycle. It fragments into smaller pieces, but it never truly disappears. We created a material that outlives us. And we use it for minutes. Convenience has become contamination. On the 3rd number we have deforestation and industrial agriculture. Forests are not just collections of trees. They are climate regulators, carbon absorbers, biodiversity vaults. Yet millions of hectares are cleared annually for cattle ranching, palm oil production, soy farming, urban expansion. Deforestation does 2 things simultaneously. It releases stored carbon and removes the planet's ability to absorb more. It is like removing the Earth's lungs while filling the air with smoke. Industrial agriculture compounds the issue. Monoculture farming depletes soil nutrients. Chemical fertilizers pollute rivers. Biodiversity collapses. When ecosystems lose diversity, they lose resilience. And fragile systems break easily. On the 2nd number we have nuclear waste and toxic industrial byproducts. Modern industry produces materials nature was never designed to process. Heavy metals, chemical waste, radioactive byproducts. Nuclear energy itself is low carbon. But nuclear waste remains radioactive for thousands of years. We are generating materials that will remain dangerous long after current civilizations fade. Similarly, toxic industrial waste contaminates groundwater, soil, marine ecosystems. Some pollutants bioaccumulate. They move up the food chain. Small organisms absorb toxins. Fish eat them. Humans eat the fish. The cycle returns to us. Industrial innovation outpaced ethical disposal systems. And future generations will inherit what we failed to manage. And the last, on 1st number we have overconsumption culture. This is the root. More dangerous than any single product. Overconsumption. Fast fashion. Fast electronics. Fast food. Fast everything. We live in a system built on continuous growth. But Earth is finite. Every smartphone requires mining. Every car requires extraction. Every package requires transportation. The ecological footprint of modern lifestyle extends across continents. Consumer culture encourages identity through ownership. But ownership requires resources. And resources are not infinite. The planet is not collapsing because of one invention. It is collapsing because of scale. Too much extraction. Too much waste. Too much speed. The most destructive invention may not be plastic or fossil fuel. It may be the idea that more is always better. Now let us get to the conclusion. The Earth is resilient. It has survived asteroid impacts, ice ages, mass extinctions. The question is not whether Earth will survive. It will. The question is whether human civilization will remain stable within it. The 5 forces we discussed: fossil fuels, plastic, deforestation, toxic waste, overconsumption, are not evil by design. They are tools. But tools without long-term wisdom become weapons. The future will not be decided by innovation alone. It will be decided by restraint, by balance, by whether intelligence evolves into responsibility. Because the planet does not need saving. It needs respecting. Because awareness is the first step toward change. If this made you think differently, subscribe to Churcha Junction.